Hello everyone, this is Orlando from A Collector's Dream. I hope everyone's having an awesome day. Today what I want to show you is some card albums. And these card albums are from 1889 and 1890. The first one I want to show you is the Game Birds. And that one is from 1890. Now these albums were redemptions. And what you would do is you would have to, they'd come in the cigarette packs, little coupons, and you had to get so many coupons and mail it in, and they would send you one of these books. If you want to see what the coupons look like, go back to one of my videos where I showed the Goodwin Champions album, and you'll see there I have some of the coupons, redemption coupons for some of these books and the Goodwin, what they would look like. So this is the Game Birds of America. It's from Allen and Ginter. It's from 1890, and it's called it's a companion piece to the N13 cards. And let's take a look at these. This is the N40. Well, let's look at the back. So the back has birds. It's Game Birds. So the cards that were distributed in the packs of tobacco look just like these that are in the album. So this is the first one, first page, and it shows you all of the cards. There were 50 cards in this set. Almost all of the Allen and Ginter and the Goodwin books and sets had about 50 cards. This one is for the birds. And there's the Allen and Ginter logo. And then it tells you about it. What I love about these albums is the artwork. All of these were handmade, and you could see that this is the original thread that was tied in there. All of these are original books. And I just want to show you some of the cards, the colorful cards, and the book. So this is the first page. You can see how beautiful those cards were. And these are the 50 cards in the book. I'll show you every card here real quick. This is beautiful artwork. These were all hand done, hand printed. I want to be very careful with this book. This one's from 1890. There's a hunting scene. There's a wild turkey. Some more of the birds, the heron, the whooping crane. The cards are beautiful, and the book is even better because it has the cards and the artwork. There they are serving. There's the other cards here. Just a nice lithograph book. This is when they first did lithograph. And these were all hand done. The cards in the book. And if you want to go back to my videos on chromolithography, where I talk about that. That's one of the first videos I did when I did the Goodwin champions cards. And I explained the process. But look at this beautiful artwork. There's the mallard duck. They have hunting scenes. They have all these beautiful birds. And these were printed really on, not on aluminum like they do today, but printed on actual limestone blocks that they carved it out of. They carved the image. Every color had to be hand done, carved on a separate plate. And the plates were made of limestone back in the 1800s. As you can see, they had slaves back then, still. Just beautiful artwork in these books. Here's the next page. That's the ducks flying. All different types of birds. 50 cards. Getting back to the end of it. There's the wolf trying to get the birds. And then that's the last page in the back. Now we'll show you the next book. And this is the Quadrapeds. Take a good look at the quadruped book. And this one is a little bit older. It's from 1889. There's the back. This was in great condition. As you can see, the original ribbon came with it back in 1889. And this is the N21 book. No, it's the A19 book, sorry. This is the A19 Allen and Ginter Quadrapeds album. And this is a companion redemption piece to the N21 and the N41 Allen and Ginter Quadrapeds. And quadrupeds basically are, four-legged animals. And they did a small and large set of 50 cards. So this is the small set in the book. If you look at, see what it looks like with the Allen and Ginter logo. And this is the cigarette brands that the cards came in. And these were high-grade cigarettes, expensive cigarettes. And you have to get the redemption, so this book is a lot rarer than the cards themselves. See the artwork, beautiful artwork. See the jaguar, different animals, all four-legged animals. Armadillo. Here comes the next page. hunting. There's the deer, the buffalo, the moose, and the grizzly bear. And the artwork on these are very, very beautiful and very bright. I don't know if you can actually get it on the video. And this is like a hard stock, like, you know, like a cardboard. It's just like a card. The thickness of the cards back in those days. Well, in these days too. So this is another one of the pictures here of this book, Quadrapeds. And that's got the fox, bloodhound. I just love the scene. Look at the woman dressed up on the horse. It's just beautiful pictures. And you really have to see it in person so you can just really, the colors just pop out. Look at the Sphinx. The camel. More camels, dromedary, the giraffe. Very, very colorful. The zebra. I mean, these are drawn in the 1800s and printed back in those days. You can see in some of the pages, I mean, some of the things just come right off because it's just the way they were printed. One color was put on, then wait till it dried, then put another plate, another color. And every one of these colors and every one of these shades had to be done by hand. So this was very intricate work, very detailed work, very difficult to make. These people were, you know, artists. Because again, they were all handmade. Like I said, in my other videos, I talk about the process of chromolithography, printing. And you know, you could go back and see that again. But I want to really show you this book. This is one of my favorite pages with the lions. The leopard. You know, there's the tiger. There's the lion. But just, you have to really appreciate the artwork and the time that it took to actually create this page, create this printing process. Look at that, Indian. There's the bear. Now you can get these cards. These cards are usually, you can find some on eBay. They're gonna be in horrible condition if you find them. And build a set's difficult because there's 50 cards, and you know, they're from the 1800s. Here comes next to last page. It's another nice page. I mean, you really have to look at all the artwork and how they did that. Look at that. Hope you can get a good look at that. The kangaroo, the rhinoceros, chimpanzee, orangutan. There's the monkey. And the elephant. So it's just, again, just beautiful artwork. Trying to give you a good look at it all. Gotta be careful with this book. It's very delicate. It's being held on literally by the string, so I don't want to bend it too much. And there's the cold, the polar bear, reindeer, lynx. So you see they all have them by different seasons, different countries, different animals from all over the world. And here comes the last page. With the hunting scene. The squirrel, the possum. Different animals. So I'll give you another good look at that. It's a beautiful artwork again. I keep saying it, but it is. And if you see it in person, it's just, they're just stunning. And there's the last page, the back cover. Again, just like the second page. And the back. And the back is a beautiful picture of the dog, the hunting scene. So I wanted to show you both of these books. They're from 1890's and 1889. And they are from Allen and Ginter. It's the Game Birds of America and the Quadrapeds. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. And everyone, please have an awesome day. Thank you again.